Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many Excel users face. The problem lies in creating a chart using Openpyxl, but running into issues with reading the data properly. Frustrating, right? Now, let's dive into the solution that can help you overcome this problem. The key here is to add each row as a separate series in the chart. This involves adding the initial data row first, then including additional rows as separate series. Make sure to set the categories correctly and enable multi-level category labels for the x-axis. In the provided code snippet, we start by defining the chart type as a bar chart and adding the initial data series M1. We then set the data categories and x-axis labels, followed by adding additional series M2 to M10 in a loop. Don't forget to configure the chart settings such as title, axis labels, width, and height to get the desired output. Continuing with the solution, we have a second code snippet that showcases adding all series as one data reference. This simplifies the process by including all data rows from B3 to G12 in a single data reference. Again, ensure the categories and chart settings are configured correctly for optimal results. To sum it up, by following these steps and utilizing the provided code snippets, you'll be able to create the desired clustered chart successfully in Excel using Openpyxl. Good luck with your chart creation endeavors, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any Excel charting tips you have. Happy charting!